Greetings to the respected teachers and my dear colleagues. My name is Sujal Verma. Today I am going to talk to you about history of mathematics. What is mathematics? Mathematics is defined as the study of relationship among quantities, magnitudes and properties, and else also of the logical operation by which unknown quantities, magnitudes and properties may be deduced or the study of quantities, structure, space and change. Historically, it was graded as the science of quantities, whether of magnitudes, as in geometry, or of numbers, as in arithmetic, or of generalization of these two fields, as in algebra. Some have seen it in terms as simple as search of patterns. The story of mathematics. The history of mathematics is nearly as old as humanity itself. Since antiquity, mathematics has been fundamental to advance in science, engineering, and philosophy. It has evolved from simple counting, measurements, and calculation, and the systematic study of shapes and motion of physical objects through the application of abstraction, imagination, and logic to the broad, complex, and often abstract discipline we know today. From the notched bones of early man to the mathematical advances about by settled agriculture in Mesopotamia and Egypt, and the revolutionary development of ancient Greece and its Hellenistic empire. The story of mathematics is long as an impressive one. The East carried on the baton, particularly China, India, and medieval Islamic empire. Before the focus of mathematical innovations moved back to the Europe in the late Middle Ages and Renaissance, then a whole new series of revolutionary development occurred in 17th century and 18th century Europe, setting a stage for a increasing complexity and abstraction of 19th century. Now we're going to talk about his prehistoric mathematics. The origin of mathematical thoughts lie in a concept of number, magnitudes, and from the modern studies of animal cognition have shown that these concepts are not unique to humans. Such concepts would have been a part of everyday life in hunter-gathering society. The idea of number concept evolving gradually over the time is supported by existing of language which preserves the distinction between one, two, and many, but not of number larger than two. Babylonians mathematics. Babylonians mathematics refers to any mathematics of the people of Mesopotamia, modern Iraq. From the days of the early Sumerians through the Hellenistic period, among to the dawn of Christianity, it is named Babylonian mathematics due to the central role of Babylon as a place of study, rather under the Arabic Empire. Mesopotamia, especially Baghdad, once again become an important center of study for Islamic mathematics. Egyptian mathematics. Egyptian mathematics refers to the mathematics written in Egyptian language. From the Hellenistic period, Greek replaced the Egyptians as a written language of Egyptian scholars. Mathematical studies in Egyptian later continued under the Arabic Empire as a part of Islamic mathematics when the Arabic became the written language of Egyptian scholars. Greek mathematics, as the term is used in this article, is the mathematics written in Greek development from the 17th century BC to the 4th century AD around the eastern shores of Mediterranean. Greek mathematics lives in cities spread over the entire eastern Mediterranean. from Italy to North Africa, but were united by culture and language. Greek mathematics of the period follow Alexander the Great is sometimes called Hellenistic mathematics. The word mathematics itself derives from the ancient Greek mathema, meaning subject of instruction. The study of mathematics for its own sake and the use of generalized mathematical theories and proof in the key difference between the Greek mathematics and those of preceding civilization. Hindu-Arabian period 200 BC to 1250 AD. The Hindu-Arabic numeral system or Hindu numeral system is a positional decimal numeral system. Nowadays, the most common symbolic representation of number in the world. It was invented between the 1st and the 4th century by Hindu mathematicians. The, the system was adopted by Persian mathematicians. Al-Khwarizmi 825 book on the calculation with Hindu numerals, and Arabic mathematics Al-Kindi's 830 volumes on the use of Hindu numerals. By 19th century, it later spread to the Western world by the High Middle Ages. Chinese mathematics. Early Chinese mathematics is so different from that of other parts of the world that is responsible to assume independent development. The oldest extant mathematical text from China is the Tao Pai Swan Ching, variously dated to between 1200 BC to 100 BC, through a date of about 300 BC, appears reasonable. Of a particular note, it is a use in a Chinese mathematics of decimal positional notation system, the so-called rod numerals, in which distinct ciphers were used for numbers between 1 and 10 and additional ciphers of power of 10. Islamic mathematics. The Islamic Empire established across Persia, the Middle East, Central Asia, North Africa, Iberia, and in parts of India in the 8th century, made by significant contribution towards mathematics. Although most Islamic texts on mathematics were written in Arabic, most of them were not written by Arabs, since much like the statue of Greek in a Hellenistic world, Arabic was used as a written language of non-Arab scholars throughout the Islamic world at the time. Persians contribute to the world of mathematics alongside Arabs. Renaissance mathematics. During the Renaissance, the development of mathematics and of accounting were intervened. While there is no direct relationship between the algebra and accounting, the teaching of subject and the book published often intended for a children of merchant who were sent to reconning schools in Flanders in Germany, or a Bacchus school known as a Bacco in Italy, where they learned the skill useful for trade and commerce. There is probably no need for algebra in performing bookkeeping operations, but for complex Behetering operation for the calculation of compound interest, a basic knowledge of arithmetic was mandatory and knowledge of algebra was very useful. Medieval Europe mathematics. Medieval European interest in mathematics was driven by concerns quite different from those of modern mathematicians. One driving element was the belief that mathematics provide the key to understanding the created order of nature, frequently justified by Plato's Timaeus and the biblical passage in the Book of Wisdom that God had ordered all things in measure and the number and weight. In the wake of Riaznes, the 17th century saw an unprecedented explosion of mathematical and scientific ideas across Europe, and a period times called the Age of Reason, hard on the heels of the Copernican revolution of Nicholas Copernicus. In the 16th century, scientists like Galileo Galilei, Tycho Brahe, and Johannes Kepler were making equally revolutionary discoveries in exploring of solar system, leading to Kepler formulation of mathematical laws of planetary motion. Century by John Napier and later improved by Napier and Henry Briggs contribute to the advance of science, astronomy, and mathematics by making some difficult calculation relatively easy. The logarithm of a number is an exponent when the number is expressed as a power of 10 or any other base. It is effectively the inverse of exponential. 18th century of mathematics. Most of the late 17th century and a good part of early 18th were taken up by the work of discipline of Newton and Leibniz, who applied their ideas on calculus to solving a variety of problems in physics, astronomy, and engineering. The 19th century was saw as unprecedented increase in breadth and complexity of mathematical concept. Both the France and Germany were caught up in the age of revolution which swept Europe in the late 18th century, but the two countries treated mathematics quite differently. The Fourier series can be used as a approximate a period function by addressing a series of sine and cosine waves as a number of terms in series increases the approximation becomes more and more accurate. Fourier originally applied this technique to find the solution to the heat equation in 1807, but it was later applied to widely area on mathematical and physics problems, including electrical engineering, acoustics, optics, quantum mechanics, and econometrics. 20th century mathematics. Hardy and Ramanujan. The eccentric British mathematician G. H. Hardy is known for his achievement in number theory and mathematical analysis, but he is perhaps even better known for his adoption and mentoring of his self-taught Indian mathematical genius Srinivasa Ramanujan. Meanwhile, in 1913, Srinivasa Ramanujan, a 23-year-old shipping clerk from Madras, India, wrote to Hardy and other academics at Cambridge, claiming other things to have devised a formula that calculates the number of primes up to 100 million with generally no error. The self-taught and obsessive Ramanujan has managed to prove all of Raymond's result and more. With almost no knowledge of developments in the Western world and no formula tuition, he claimed that most of his ideas came to him in dreams. Hardy was the only one to recognize Ramanujan's genius and brought him to the Cambridge University and was his friend and mentor for many years. Indian mathematics. The Indian were also responsible for another hugely important development in mathematics. The earlier recorded usage of a circle character for a number 0 is usually attributed to the 9th century engraved in a temple in Gwalior in central India. But the brilliant conceptual leap to include 0 as a number in its own right, rather than merely as a placeholder, a blank or empty space within a number as it had been treated until that time, is usually credited to the 7th century Indian mathematician Brahmagupta or possibly another Indian Bhaskara. I even thought it may well have been in a practical use for centuries before that. The use of zeros as a number which could be used in calculation and mathematical investigation would revolutionize mathematics. Indian trigonometric tables shows that an angle of 1 by 7th degree indicates the triangle side with a ratio of 400 raised to 1, meaning that the sun is 400 times further away from the earth than the moon. The ancient Hindu symbol of a circle with a dot in the middle known as Bindu or Bindu symbolize the void and the negation of the self, was probably instrumental in the use of circle as a representation of concept of zeros. Mathematics in the modern world. Modern day mathematics. In the 18th century, mathematics is already a modern science. Mathematics begins to develop very fast because of introducing it to schools. Therefore, everyone have a chance to learn the basic learning of mathematics. Effect of modern mathematicians. Thanks to that, a large number of new mathematicians appear on stage. There are many new ideas, solutions to old mathematical problem, researches which leads to creating new fields of mathematics. Old fields of mathematics are also expanding. Some famous mathematician of modern time. Leonard Paul Euler from 1707 to 1783. He was a Swiss mathematician. John Bernoulli made the biggest influence on Leonard. 1727 he went to St. Petersburg where he worked in the mathematics department and became in 1731 the head of this department. In 1741 went in Berlin and worked in Berlin Academy for 25 years, and after that he returned in St. Petersburg where he spent the rest of his life. Achievements and discovery. Euler worked in almost all areas of mathematics, geometry, calculus, trigonometry, algebra, applied mathematics, graph theory, and number theory, as well as lunar theory, optics, and other areas of physics. Concepts of a function as we use today was introduced by him. He was the first mathematician to write function of x to denote function. He also introduced the modern notation for the trigonometric function, the, the letter e for the base of natural logarithm, now also known as Euler's number, the Greek letter sigma for summation, and the letter iota to denote the imaginary unit. Isaac Newton from 1942 to 1727. There aren't many subjects that Newton didn't have a huge impact in. He was the one of the inventors of the calculus, built the first reflecting telescope, and helped establish the field of classical mechanics with his seminal work, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica. He was the first to decompose white light into its component colors and gave us the three laws of motion, known as Newton's laws of motion. Achievement and discovery of Sir Isaac Newton. We could live in a very different world had Sir Isaac Newton not been born. Other scientists would probably have worked out most of his ideas eventually, but there is no telling how long it would have taken and how far behind we might have fallen from our current technological trajectories. Carl Gauss from 1777 to 1855. Isaac Newton is a hard act to follow, but if anyone can pull it off, it's Carl Gauss. If Newton is considered the greatest scientist of all time, Gauss could easily be called as the greatest mathematician ever. Carl Friedrich Gauss was born to a poor family in Germany in 1777 and quickly showed himself to be a brilliant mathematician. You can find his influence throughout algebra, statistics, geometry, optics, astronomy, and many other subjects that underlie our modern world. Achievement and discoveries of Carl Gauss. He published Arithmetical Inventions, a foundational textbook that laid out the tenets of number theory, the study of whole numbers. Without number theory, you could kiss computer goodbye. Computer operate on the most basic level using just two digits, land zero, and many of the advancement that we have made in using computer to solve problem are solved using number theory. John von Neumann, 1903 to 1957. John von Neumann was born in Budapest a few years after the start of 20th century, as well timed birth for all of us. For he went on to design the architecture underlying nearly every single computer built on the planet today. Von Neumann received his PhD in mathematics at the age of 22, while also earning as a degree in chemical engineering to appease his father. was keen on his son having a good marketable skills. In 1930, he went to work at Princeton University with Albert Einstein at the Institute of Advanced Study. History, achievements and discovery of Mr. Newman. Right now, whatever device or computer that you are reading this on, it be it phone or computer, it's cycling throughout a series of basic steps billions of times over each second. Steps that allow it to do things like render internet articles and play videos and music. Steps that were first thought up by John von Neumann. Before his death in 1957, von Neumann made important discoveries in set theory, geometry, quantum mechanics, game theory, statistics, computer science, and was a vital member of a Manhattan Project. Alan Turing, 1912 to 1954. Alan Turing, a British mathematician who has been called the father of computer science. During World War II, Turing bent his brain to the problem of breaking Nazi crypto code and was the one to finally unreveal messages protected by infamous Enigma machine. Anal Alan Turing careers and his life ended tragically when he was arrested and prosecuted for being gay. He was found guilty and sentenced to undergo hormone treatment to reduce his libido, losing his security clearance as well. On June 8, 1954, Alan Turing was found dead of apparent suicide by his cleaning lady. Achievement and discoveries of Alan Turing. Alan Turing was instrumental in the development of the modern day computer. His design for a so-called Turing machine remains central to how computers operate today. The Turing's test is an exercise in artificial intelligence that tests how well an artificial intelligence program operates. A program passes the Turing test if it can have a text that conversation with a human and a fool that person into thinking that it too is a person. Benoit Mandelbrot, 1924 to 2010. Mandelbrot was born in Poland in 1924 and had to flee to France with his family in 1936 to avoid Nazi persecution. After studying in Paris, he moved to the US where he found a home as a IBM fellow. Working at IBM meant that he had access to cutting edge technology which allowed him to apply the number crunching abilities of electrical computer to his projects and problems. Benoit Mandelbrot died of pancreatic cancer in 2010. Achievements and discovery of Benoit Mandelbrot. Benoit Mandelbrot landed on this list thanks to his discovery of fractal geometry. Fractal, often fractastical and complex shape, built on simple, self-replicable formulas are fundamental to computer graphics and animation. Without fractals, it's safe to say that we would be decades behind where we are now in the field of computer generated images. Fractal formula are also used to design cell phone, antennas, and computer chips, which takes an advantage of the fractal natural ability to minimize wasted space. The modern world would not exist without maths. With maths, you can tell the future and save lives. Maths lies at the heart of art and music. Maths is a subject full of mystery, surprise, and magic. Mathematics and mathematicians have already made our life possible today. Here are some examples with some common concepts of mathematics are used in our daily life. Thank you. The presentation is made and presented by Sujal Verma, and my enrollment number is 20312037. Thank you.